Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to make a quick simple cake topper. This cake topper has no theme, it's just to go on top of a normal unthemed birthday cake. So I just start off by typing out the name, and then I will change the font to one of my favorite fonts actually. It's called Southwood. So I'm just going to adjust the size. Now with this part, it depends on the size of your cake. My cake was 6 inches, so I just change it to around 3 inches wide. It doesn't have to be too big. So I want the 1 just to sit under that H, and I'll show you why in a sec. So I first ungroup the numbers just so that the 8 can come a bit closer to the 1. And then I group those together. Because you want your offset to merge together, you need to bring the age and the name as close together as possible. And group those together as well. And then I'm going to offset to 0.6. Now this offset is going to be some acetate. So if you're familiar with cutting out thin letters, you'll find that the words are flimsy. So I used to just cut out loads of layers and stick them on top of each other so they'll be firm. But now I just use acetate, and you can just print out one layer of your words and just stick it on the acetate, and it will be really firm. And you can just pop your acrylic stick onto your topper and it will stand as if it had loads of layers. So that's why I use acetate for the back. I just changed the shades of grey, and that's the end of the video. And here is the finished product, and you'll find that you can't even see that there's acetate on the back. But again, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.